How much SCHD do you need to earn $100 per month? Have you ever wondered how much money you need invested in SCHD to generate an extra $100 per month in dividend income? Let's do the math. First, SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, currently has an annual dividend yield of around 3.25%. Keep in mind that dividend yields change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the current yield before investing. If your goal is to earn $100 per month, that's $1,200 per year. Now divide your annual income goal by the dividend yield. $1,200 divided by 0.0325 equals approximately $36,900. So you'd need to invest about $36,900 in SCHD to generate roughly $100 per month in dividend income based on today's yield. If SCHD is trading around $32 per share, that works out to approximately 1,156 shares. One important thing to remember, SCHD pays quarterly, not monthly. That means instead of receiving $100 every month, you'd typically receive around $300 every 3 months. The exact payment can vary because dividends aren't guaranteed and may increase or decrease over time. Here's a quick recap. Monthly income goal, $100. Annual dividend income needed, $1,200. Estimated investment required, about $36,900. Estimated shares needed, around 1,156. If you're building a dividend portfolio, knowing these numbers can help you set realistic financial goals and track your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing and dividend income content.